Welcome to Love Your Rug, Canada's largest rug cleaning facility. At our specialty cleaning facility, where we have cleaned over 1 million rugs, our expert staff have the knowledge and experience to clean your rugs professionally. Our secure and modern facility with new technology is equipped to clean, dry, and store any rug of any origin and material. Step 1. Inspection. Each rug goes through a thorough inspection process by our lab technicians to identify stains, damages, discolorations, and any special requests that the customer may have. Everything is inspected, from the rug fibers, fringes, coloration, to underpadding. Step 2. Dusting. One of the most important steps when cleaning a rug is proper dusting. Without dusting the rug thoroughly, dust particles and allergens will stay inside your rug even after washing and drying. Our computer-controlled dusting machine ensures all dust particles are extracted. Our air suction filtration system transfers particles to a dust compartment that is cleaned daily. Step 3. Pre-treatment. Each rug is treated with a safe and eco-friendly dual solution of soap and treatment, pre-treating each rug before they are machine washed. This dual solution is applied by pressure washing each rug to soften and break down dissolved minerals that cling to your rug over time. It's important to wash your rugs once a year to prevent these hard deposits of minerals from degrading the health and value of your rug. Step 4. Machine wash. Next, the rugs are machine washed to ensure a thorough wash on each rug. Each rug is gently scrubbed by a line of soft brush pads that deep clean and completely remove remaining mineral deposits and stains. The excess eco-friendly soap and water is filtered through our drainage system. Our machine ensures that your rug is properly washed, including rug pile and fringes, without damaging your rug in the process. Step 5. Drying. After the machine wrings out 90% of the water, the rugs are immediately sent up to our drying room to remove the water from the fibers of the rug. Leaving rugs moist for too long can cause color run and unwanted mold and bacteria buildup. Our enclosed climate-controlled drying room is equipped with a dozen industrial fans that filter circulated air and maintain low humidity, creating the most ideal ecosystem to properly dry your rugs. Step 6. Final inspection. After spending 12 hours in the drying room, our lab technicians perform a final inspection to ensure quality control. The technician takes their time inspecting every inch of the rug, recording and photographing the results. Each rug is lightly airbrushed to recondition and remove loose fibers from your rugs. Step 7. Packaged, ready to ship. After the final inspection, each rug is wrapped in a plastic sheathing to prevent the rugs from getting dirty and damaged in the process of shipping. We offer free pickup and delivery services to a wide range of places in Ontario. Repairs. We also offer expert rug repairs that can be done as required and at the customer's request. We have world-renowned in-house repair specialists that can provide any repairs, color corrections, or consulting for appraisals. Love your rug. We put our heart into it. Please visit our website to find out how you can get a pricing quote from our cleaning experts.